You are taking from the end of the thigh. That's where my hand is going, the end between these times. This is average. Average. Yes. But there's this muscle here. What they call it? This. Okay. There's this muscle here.
Okay.
One have to be very careful with. There's this muscle here you have to be very careful because the moment she drops this leg, the muzzle is contracted. If you are not careful, this might have an injury. So now this leg is she's released the leg, then you can now go. Okay, you can go. There are different range of movements you can do there. Are you feeling pain? You can also go this other way. All right. Are you feeling pain? You can go. You can go. You can go. I'm supporting it with my leg because of that same muscle. You can go. So you've seen that. I'm coming. So you drop. Now here there are different things you can do here. You see what I'm doing? This is for blood circulation. Is one of the ways you can. Yes, tapotment. But I wanted to show you something. Can you do what I just did? Let me see. Stop. You're very powerful. Sorry, thank you very much. You coming again? You're gonna come back. Sorry for stopping. Now listen. How do you feel when she came in? Is- when she touched you, how do you feel?
It's kind of harder than
Thank you. It was very hard. Now this is what I did. See, not not here. This place is harming the person. But this one is the finger. The finger is like a spring. Like it's like a spring. It's not even though I'm using the finger, it's not like this. It's like a spring. The place is open. So when it drops, it's just like the finger is just you understand, like a spring. Like watch. So my whole finger is making noise, it's jamming together. But if my muscles here is stiff, you will not hear the sound of my finger jamming to be like this, and that will be causing her pain. So it's just like this. Can you see that? And remember the cupping too. The cupping. These two can help for blood circulation. For those that are having problem with paralysis, they can do that here. Yeah. If you see anybody who is convulsing, you can hold up their hands, and it's one of the ways to help them get back. Okay. You can do the same thing here. You want me to massage that today? All right. So our time is up. Oh. Now, sorry. Okay, I always like to put my finger under this bone. All right, this bone here, you can see it from here. I think it's the femur bone or whatever they call it. My hand is actually under this bone, and I move down here. Now, the more here to remember what I said about this side for tension. Okay, all right. When I relax, you're not relaxed. Please relax your leg, and you can also go with this. All right, you can go. You can go. You can go with your two hands. Okay. Okay. I'm already tired. Okay. Now come see what I'm doing with my thumb. Here. You can see from here, from this side. My thumb here, up, there. That's one of the ways you can walk on the leg when facing up. You can see. I'm using my thumb to drive everything from down of the pop. Yeah. All right. You can stretch the leg, push the leg forward. You can also bring it down. Don't do it with force, and then you can go. All right. Remember, you stimulate. Okay. And there's also this. You hold the leg here, and you use this hand. You push. You bring it down. You go again with the other hand. You bring it down. Okay. You bring it down. You can also do this. All right. You can also do this. Okay. Okay. So you know what happens? I think because of time, if you want to ask any question, or maybe I might take more time to explain, you can meet me at the balcony there. Okay.
Thank you, sir.